MZ. Welcome to Menumiz How to Series. This tutorial will show you how to add a service charge and dynamic service charge step by step. Follow these instructions to complete the process effortlessly.
Log into your menumiz account as an admin using your credentials. Click on Configurations in the dashboard and select Service Charge Configuration. Here you can add different service charges independently to each serving type. In the Service Charge Configuration section, select the serving type to which you wish to add service charge to. Example, dine-in, takeaway, delivery, or in-room dining. Toggle the switch to enable service charge for your selected serving type. Menumiz supports percentage or flat rate service fees. In the Service Charge Configuration Rate field, enter the percentage you want to apply, for example, 10%. Note that the maximum allowed rate is 25%. If you prefer a flat rate fee, enable the toggle button here and change the model to flat rate per bill. If the service charge is taxable in your country, then you can apply tax over the service charge by turning this toggle switch on. Dynamic service charge applies automatic changes in the service fees based on day of the week or time of the day. To use this feature, set up the principal service charge first, then enable the dynamic service charge toggle switch. You have option to make all days uniform schedule and only follow specific time slots for the change in fees, or apply different rates for different days of the week and public holidays. Note, public holidays in Menumiz are self-declared by the user. The system will prompt you daily upon logging into TSO to confirm if today is a public holiday. However, you may also update it manually in the TSO settings. Once you set your calendar model, click Add, then enter the dynamic service charge rate title and the percentage or rate you wish to apply for the selected days, and your chosen time slot, and click Save. If you want different rates for other days, select the respective day and repeat the process. Once all schedules are added, click on the Update button at the bottom to save your settings. Note, the dynamic service charge follows a principal fee model. If the principal fee is a flat rate, the dynamic charge will also be a flat rate. If the principal fee is a percentage, the dynamic charge will be a percentage. Thank you for watching.
And that's it. Your service charge and dynamic service charge is now scheduled and configured.
Menumiz, digitally yours.